Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, May 5, 2022. Yesterday was a huge day for the markets. Following the FOMC announcement, we had expansion to the upside of the daily range, finishing with about 160 points of range in the S&P, closing up near the highs. This was the largest rally we've seen in quite some time. So we can take a look at what has happened historically following a sizable rally. What I'm going to do is select all four instruments here. The setup's based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently the market is consolidating in the overnight session and trading down a little bit. So I'm going to add that to the test that we'll be looking at this morning. Opening filters, gap direction. We are trading down. So I'm going to click on gap down right here. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to describe the action that we saw yesterday by saying yesterday was the largest rally of the past 20 sessions. So if I go to active today, which lists all of the things that are true for today within this library, I can go to the very bottom option, day after largest rally in 20 days. That means the move from the close on, what was that, Tuesday to the close on Wednesday was the largest up move that we've seen in the past 20 trading days. So that's been selected. The next thing I want to do is go to the indicators. I'm going to say that we closed below a 200, and I'm going to skip the 10 just because I want to keep as many samples as possible. And then I'm going to click on view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you gapped down and the prior day had the largest rally of the past 20 sessions and still closed below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, there are 25 samples in the S&P dating back to 2003. For the NASDAQ, there's 22. For the Dow, there's 33. For the Russell, there's 42. Win rates on these are very mixed. S&P's has a win rate of 64%, which means that 64% of those 25 samples have closed above the opening print for that session. For the NASDAQ, it's just 36%. For the Dow, 55%. For the Russell, 36%. So we're very mixed there on the win rates. The average moves have been larger on the downside for the S&P compared to the moves on the upside. That is not the case for the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has larger moves to the upside. The Dow, larger moves to the downside, and the Russell's fairly similar in size. So looking at these stats, they are very mixed. We're seeing mixed results on average moves as well as mixed results on win rates. So not seeing a whole lot of consensus here between all four instruments. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.